Okay, so now when we are to find a missing angle, that's our clue that we have to use either sine of -1, cosine of -1, or tangent of -1. Because this means it's the opposite. We use normal tangent and sine up here to find a side, but now we are trying to find an angle, which means we've got to kind of do the opposite. So now I have to determine which one of these three will I use. So we have to label the sides that they gave us. Okay, so my angle in question is down here. 42 is going to be my hypotenuse. And then the side the 23 is on, far away, so that's going to be our opposite side. Now, technically, I could use the Pythagorean theorem and figure out what this side is, but because all we care about is this angle, we're not going to do that, okay? So we're going to use opposite and hypotenuse, which is sine. So we're not actually even going to worry about these two right here. Okay, so our missing angle, the question mark, is equal to the inverse of sine of the sine fraction, which is 23 over 42 in this case. And the nice thing about solving for an angle is because pretty much all of it's calculator work. Once you know which trig function you're going to use and you know, okay, well, I've got to do the inverse, set up your fraction, then it's calculator work. So sine of -1 of 23, so sine of -1 of 23 over 42. And that's going to tell us the degree of that angle, which is 33.2. Okay, so it's kind of nice when we're solving for an angle. It's a lot quicker, not as much algebra. Let's try another one, okay? So on this one, again, we got to label our sides. So this would be my opposite side. This would be my adjacent. Well, that tells me I'm going to be using tangent. So my missing angle is equal to the inverse of tangent of 23 over 47. So tangent of 23 over 47. Which means it's 26.08 degrees. So recap, when we're told to find a missing angle, we can use the inverse trig functions with the corresponding fraction, calculator, and that will tell us our missing angle.